Your iPhone volume sounds way too low even at max settings. It's usually not a hardware issue and the fix might surprise you. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone speaker louder again. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. So first of all, you need to make sure that your settings on your phone are set properly. So go to your settings and scroll down to Accessibility. Under Physical and Touch, tap on Touch. Then scroll down and make sure that your call audio routing is set to automatic. So that means that the phone will automatically detect where the phone is coming in from. So for example, if you are using your phone, it will be routed to your phone and not routed to a Bluetooth headset or speaker. Then still under Accessibility, tap on Hearing Devices under Hearing option. Make sure your hearing aid compatibility is turned off so that the audio quality will always be the loudest speaker volume when it comes to your phone. Then, under Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics. So under Sounds and Haptics, you can see that there's a slider bar for you to increase or decrease your sound volume. So to test your speakers and make sure they are not too soft, you can swipe the bar all the way to the right and make sure that you have a very loud ringtone and alert when you are testing this function. So the next thing to test is to make sure that your phone is not on silent mode. So if your phone is on silent mode, you can see that there's a red button here. So push it back upwards and then your phone will be on ringer mode where the sound should come out from your speakers. And then you can swipe down and increase the volume of your speaker here. So make sure it is turned on to loud enough, audible enough. Make sure it's not too loud so that your speakers are working properly. The last thing to check is to make sure that your iPhone is in good physical condition. That means that the speakers are not being clogged up by dust or any other dirt or foreign objects stuck in your speaker. So for the iPhone, the speakers are actually at the bottom from the left and the right. Take out your iPhone casing and give it a good cleaning and make sure that no foreign objects or dust or particles are stuck in between the holes of the speakers, which may affect the speaker sound being too low. The last possible option for your iPhone speaker sounding too low is probably water has got in. As we all know, iPhones have a waterproof function. However, sometimes when water gets into your phone and then it goes into your speakers, that could affect your speaker sound being too low. So for me, I have an app called Sonic here, which I've downloaded from the App Store. So what Sonic does is actually to pass ultra high frequency sounds to try to blow out and dry the speakers on your iPhone. Well, it's a bit technical, but that's how it works. So tap on Sonic and then you can select your option of wanting to do speaker cleaning. Tap on Next. Here you can see there's a option water eject, which means that if there are water particles or some water remnants stuck after your iPhone has got in touch with water, either it got dropped into a basin, dropped into a swimming pool, or just water particles, you can use this option to eject the water out from your speakers. Once you have reached this option, tap on the play button at the bottom right corner and you can hear there's a sound coming out from this app which is trying to eject water from your speakers. So once the app has finished ejecting the water, take a check again whether your iPhone speaker sound being too low has been fixed. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.